Meaning of greedily.
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 Greedily. Greedily refers to the action of taking or pursuing something excessively, often to the point of ignoring potential risks or negative consequences. In other words, it involves being overly eager or selfish in the pursuit of personal gain. This can apply to various situations such as financial investments, personal relationships, or even decision-making processes. When someone acts greedily, they prioritize their own desires above all else, leading to potential harm for themselves and others. Overall, greedily implies an unhealthy fixation on material gain that can have both short-term benefits and long-term consequences.